sha1sum for a directory of directories. The above was posted as a way to compute a sha1sum of a directory which contains files. This command fails if the directory includes more directories. Is there a way to recursively compute the sha1sum of a directory of directories universally, without custom fitting an algorithm to the particular directory in question?
Thanks to this post. Warning: this code is untested. Edit this question if it's wrong and you can fix it. I'll approve your edit. I generally like the find zargs pattern, like so. You have to use the print 0 and -0 in case there are spaces in file names. However, this is very similar to the find execcmd / pattern. Discussion: this URL.
Update: it's been a few years since I posted this reply, and in the meantime I've rewritten and improved the script I presented here several times. I've decided to repost the new script as a brand new answer. I would highly recommend it over this one. Introduction. I've observed that the order in which the find command outputs the found elements within a directory varies within identical directories on different partitions. If you're comparing the hashes of the same directory, you don't have to worry about that, but if you're getting the hashes to ensure that no files were missed or corrupted during a copy, you need to include an additional line for sorting the content of the directory and its elements. For example, Matthew Bonesack's answer is quite elegant. But if you're using it to compare a copy directory to its original, you would send the output to a txt file which you would compare to the outputted list from the other directory using compare or winmerge, or by simply getting the hashes of each lease. The thing is, as the order in which the find tool will output the content may vary from one directory to another, compare will signal many differences because the hashes weren't calculated in the same order. Not a big deal for small directories, but quite annoying if you're dealing with 30,000 files. Therefore, you have to do the extra steps of sorting the output to make it easier to compare the hash lists between the two directories. This would sort the output so that files with same hash are going to be on the same lines when running the differencing program, provided that no files are missing the new directory. And on to the script. Here's a script that I wrote. It does what the same thing that the find /zarg answer does, but it will sort the files before getting the sha1sum, keeping them in the same directory. The first line of the script finds all the files within the directory recursively. The next one sorts the results alphabetically. The following two takes the sorted content and appends a sha1sum and quotation marks to the files in the sorted list, making a big shell script that calculates each file's hash, one at a time, and outputs it to content_sha1sum.txt. Hope this helps.
Another trick might be to use tar to hash the file contents and metadata.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.